All right, so as you can hear, we are aerating, trying to get grass down for our meat birds. And it's February, imagine that. So we're getting ahead of the game. This thing's a beast. We're taking turns at this, plus also aerating the rest of our yard. So phase one of the meat birds, they're due in April, so we're just trying to get a head start here in February. Well, good morning to you. And you might be wondering, why are we aerating for meat birds? Well, because this used to be this. And we just haven't had an established grass base, and so this is used to be cleared full of overgrown brush and trees, and we are doing our best to try to make it meat bird chicken friendly. So right, wrong, good, bad, this is our plan. And look at all the flowers blooming in February here in North Carolina. And when you don't have something, you have to make it. And we don't have grass because we have been clearing this land, beautiful property, just no grass. Wrap for day one. We got everything aerated and ready for seed. Sun's going down and we're wore out, so everything's ready to go for the seed, and we'll do that tomorrow. Catch you on day two.
Hit the stripes and channel.